Now come back home. Make we see how we fit even use increment operators and how we fit use decrement operators. If you look inside my code editor here, this increment and decrement, wetin e be? Well, it just means say we dey add one or we dey remove one to anything where we dey add am to, any number where we dey attach am to. Na so e dey work. So for example, if I say I wan create a variable, so I fit just say let item 1. Make we assign am, make we give am like 500. So we go say 500. Then I go come say, okay, I want increment this 500 for here. How I go take do am? I go just come here and say, okay, const item 2. And then after the item 2, I could just say, I want make it be item 1 plus plus. So if you just console log item 2, I just say item 2, they give me 500. So what did they happen for here be say the way we they add our increments, it matter. So if I add them to this side, this now postfix. Now say I dey put the increment for the post for the end. If I put them for here, now post. So what I want to be say I want add 1 into RAM at the end. Meaning say I want first do plus plus 1. So it is say once I add them like this, our increments don't they help me they add plus 1 to this item for here. You go see say it don't work, say it can't give me this 501. But if I add them for the other side, you go see say they give me like that. So what if you want do, of course, the opposite? Let's say you want to do the decrement side of them now. So make we just duplicate this code just because I did lazy today. And then make I just comment this one out first for now. So using the decrement, we'll contact say, okay, we want to do item 1 and item 2, but instead we want to do a minus minus. So likewise, you could just say item 1 and then we could just do minus minus for that. Excuse me. We could just do minus minus for that. So once you do that minus minus, you could see say the code don't work as we expect. But if we move on, say we want to make it the first beginning side for there, we could just say, okay, make post them as a prefix. Once you post them as prefix, then I'll say you go come out 1 from them. So for increment and decrement, just remember, say they always get the postfix and they always get the prefix. But for now, that's all we need to learn. I will see you now for the next video. Thank you.